Alright guys, welcome back to Tractor Power USA. Today, we've got something absolutely massive to talk about. The 2025 Caterpillar D12. This beast is finally here, and let me tell you, it's a game changer in the world of heavy equipment. If you thought the D11 was big, wait till you see what Caterpillar has done with this next level machine. We're going to break down its specs, new features, and why this is the biggest and most powerful dozer Caterpillar has ever built. So, if you're a heavy equipment fan, stick around because this is going to be epic. Let's start with what everyone wants to know first, the size. The D12 is officially the largest production dozer Caterpillar has ever made, towering over the D11 in almost every dimension. It's got an all-new 200,000-pound operating weight, which is nearly 15% heavier than the D11. That extra weight means extra pushing power, and this dozer was built for the most demanding jobs on the planet: mining, heavy earth moving, and anything else that requires brute force. Powering this beast is a brand new Caterpillar C36 engine, a 36-litre V16 turbocharged diesel pushing out an insane 1,250 horsepower. That's right, 1,250 horsepower in a bulldozer. To put that into perspective, that's more power than most locomotives. This new engine is not only stronger, but also designed for efficiency. Thanks to advanced fuel injection and Caterpillar's latest emissions technology, the D12 meets the strictest global emission standards while still delivering raw power. One of the biggest upgrades on the D12 is the transmission. Caterpillar has introduced an advanced, fully automatic power shift transmission, which improves fuel efficiency while delivering seamless power. This means smoother shifts, better torque distribution, and up to 10% better fuel economy compared to the D11. Operators will immediately notice how much easier this machine is to control, even under extreme loads. Now, let's talk about the blade, because that's what really defines a dozer. The D12 comes with a massive 60 cubic yard semi-U blade, making it the largest production bulldozer blade in the world. That's an increase of nearly 20% over the D11's blade capacity. This means fewer passes, more material moved per hour, and better efficiency overall. The blade is reinforced with high-strength steel and features a new active load sensing system that automatically adjusts blade angle and height to optimize efficiency and reduce operator fatigue. And speaking of the operator, Caterpillar has completely redesigned the cab on the D12. Step inside, and you'll notice it's more like a high-tech control center than a traditional dozer cab. Massive touchscreen displays, joystick controls, and a 360-degree camera system make operating this monster easier than ever. The seat is fully air-suspended with active vibration reduction, which is crucial for operators working long shifts in tough conditions. Plus, the sound insulation has been significantly improved, making this one of the quietest dozers in its class. Caterpillar has also gone all in on automation and AI technology for the D12. This machine is equipped with full autonomy capability, meaning it can be operated remotely or even run completely autonomously in mining applications. With the new Cat Command system, operators can control the dozer from miles away, improving safety and efficiency in dangerous job sites. The D12 is also equipped with real-time terrain mapping, allowing it to optimize its path automatically, reducing fuel consumption and increasing productivity. Durability is another key focus for Caterpillar with the D12. The undercarriage has been completely redesigned with reinforced tracks and larger rollers to handle extreme conditions. The frame has been upgraded with a high-strength alloy, making it even more resistant to stress and fatigue. Plus, maintenance is easier than ever, with ground-level access points, auto-lubrication systems, and a real-time diagnostic system that sends alerts to operators and fleet managers when servicing is needed. Now, you might be wondering, what does all this power and technology mean for actual job performance? Well, compared to the D11, the D12 moves 25% more material per hour, thanks to its larger blade, improved traction, and more powerful engine. It's also 15% more fuel efficient, which translates to significant cost savings over long-term use. And with autonomous operation capability, downtime is reduced and productivity is maximized like never before. So, who is this machine for? The D12 is primarily designed for large-scale mining operations, massive earth-moving projects, and major construction jobs where extreme power is needed. It's not your typical job site dozer. This is a mega machine built for the toughest jobs on Earth. Of course, all this technology and power come at a price. While Caterpillar hasn't officially announced pricing, industry estimates put the base price of the D12 at around $3.5 million with fully